What's up everyone, I'm Roxy and I am back again with another plan with me type video. If you're new to my channel, I'm so happy to have you here, and if you've always been here, then welcome back. So I'm going to do a different styled video where I'm going to show you my plan with me setup for the week, as well as clips from my week to show you how it all went and how I got so much things done because I planned it out in my planner. Okay, so to start, I am going to decorate my planner, of course, because I always say how much that motivates me to actually use my planner. I'm using these stickers from It's Pretty Productive and it's called the boho vibes, and it's such a beautiful color scheme. It's just perfect. And I'm also going to be using these days of the week stickers to just add those to my spread because I do love changing it up in my planner. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is washi taping the days of the week on my spread. I don't do this all the time, only if I want to change the actual days of the week, as you will see. So I'm using washi tape for my sticker kits, and I really love having sticker kits with washi tape in it because you don't have to go out and find washi tape. It's already there, and I love having everything there all at once when I'm ready to use it, so I don't have to go and look for it. And I'm using the orange days of the week stickers because I felt like it went really well with the color scheme of this sticker kit. I love playing around with washi tape because I feel like it adds such a different kind of character to your spread, which is why I like adding random strips in the middle of my planner. So once that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and add all of the stickers. And for me personally, I love starting off with the box stickers because if I don't, I think I'll forget about it and do the entire spread, and then I'll be like, oh no, where were these pretty box stickers? So once I have a few boxes on there, I like putting my box headers like to do, as well as those check boxes, because I love just writing everything down and checking it off. Okay, so on my right hand corner of my spread, I always love doing a little like center point. I know it's not in the center, but I love adding lots of big things at the right hand corner of my spread. I know some people can do it differently, but I did good vibes only with this beautiful chair and this bouquet of flowers because I just love it. I feel like if it's because it's the weekend and it's just like something fun for me to look forward to, and it really makes your planner pop when you use those big stickers in one location. It's definitely like a focal point where you immediately get drawn to. For me, I love using matte stickers because it's so much easier to write on, as well as removable stickers, so that if you put a sticker down and you don't like it, you can easily remove it without having to worry about like ripping out your entire page. So if you have long nails like me, here is a tip. I know it can be really difficult to remove small stickers because your nails just get in the way. So what I like using is my mechanical pencil, and what I do is like use the very tip of it, not the actual lead, the actual like plastic part of the pencil, and then I just use that to take off my stickers and apply it to my planner. So I do this especially with those small stickers that are really just hard to remove. I'm not really sure what else you can use to do it, but if you have any ideas, definitely drop it in the comments because I need all the help I can get. So my planner is actually undated, and I love undated planners because I mean, you just don't waste paper. You can start whenever you want. So the first thing I have to do is fill in my dates on my planner. So that is what I'm doing. So now onto my to-do list, and I like filling out everything I know I have to do. For instance, this was the launch week in my stationery brand, so I had to make sure that the stickers were ready. So I was test trying it out here, and it was the first print, and it came out absolutely beautiful. And then that night I had to edit how to use an old planner and upload it and have it ready for you guys for later that week. And it's also up. You probably would have seen it, so I'll link it in just in case. I also filled in the hills. That is something I love watching, but that week was MTV Movie Awards and I didn't realize it at all. So I didn't get to watch the hills, but oh my gosh, I just love that show. I practically grew up in it, so it's so great seeing these girls like so much older. I love it. It's my Monday night fix. I love to watch it. So on Tuesday it was just more stationary things, but in the night it was a sushi buffet dinner night, which I love. I love sushi so much. It's my favorite thing in life. So here is a clip from my Instagram. You guys see so much behind the scenes stuff of my life, so if you're not following me there on Instagram, you totally should. And I'm also adding in these little sushi stickers after, because I had to have a sticker sheet just for sushi because I love it that much. One thing I also had to do was work on a DIY project. So I had to get some screws and shelves and stuff from my hardware. So I also did that. And I'm also working on a collab with a plant store. So I had to stop off to get some plants and pots for my collaboration with them, which is so much fun. So on Thursdays I usually go to the post office to ship off all of my like orders and stuff like that. And that day was also my best friend in the entire world. It was her birthday, so that was also very fun. I'm also uploading a video on Thursday, and on Friday I had to go to the grocery to pick up some vegetables and fruits because for a long time I was just eating out and I had no fresh fruits or anything in my fridge. So I definitely did a little haul on my Instagram as well. And Saturday, do something fun, and I ended up just staying in with my guy. We had like amazing gourmet pizza and wine, and it was just a great night. And then Sunday is my day where I usually plan all my videos and plan all my content and stuff like that. So that is basically how my week went. You actually saw how many things I got done because I did write it in my planner. So I hope that you enjoyed this style of video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to see more plan with me's in this format. Definitely thumbs up and let me know, and I will be so happy to do it for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe because there's so much amazing content coming your way that I don't want you to miss out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.